Another one for the books, done by your daddy. Fuck the haters as usual. Just a quickie. In-N-Out burger. 2-day, 3-day paint job. Shit. Body work and all. Fuck the haters once again. While your shit fucking rolling all sanded, homie. Fucking, you could have fucking stayed true and got a fucking wet. Shit, not bad for a 3-day. Not done though. Probably sand and buff in 3 weeks. Up to the owner. But that's how we do. Roof and all. Trying to talk him into doing the little baby rims and the fucking lights. That'll be tight. Spray the undercarriage. Undercarriage looking a little ashy down there. But black out the undies. Armor all the plastics. Paint the rims and shit. Good to go. Another one done by yours truly. Candy Pimp with the Bud Light, as usual. Fuck the haters, suck my dick. Get off my dick too, shit. But that's how we do. Save up that money, homie. Come hit me up. Shit. Treat you good.